Okay, welcome to MyOahuRealtor.com. In this video, we are going to talk about the search portal. And I highly recommend, if you have some extra time, to go through the different areas on this website. There's a little bit of something for everyone out there. And it's video based too, like you see right here. So it's not a lot of information that you got to read. It makes it a little bit more fun. So again, we're going to start with the property search. So you can get to the portal through the menu right here, or you can enter the portal right here. So let's click on here. Okay, so this is the property search portal right here. Now, when you first come in here, you're going to see some listings at the bottom. These are brand new listings that just hit the market. Okay, now to start your search, first here, location, you can enter in area, subdivision, neighborhood, building name, zip code, whatever you want to put in there. So let's start with 96825. I like the Hawaii Kai area. So see, it pops up right there. You click on that and see right here, that's part of your search criteria. Okay. Pricing, you can select the minimum maximum price. You can select from the drop down menu, or you can enter it in manually. Okay. Beds, you can use here, or you can do exact. So if you want exactly 4 bedrooms. Baths for sale. Let's say we just want to look at single family homes in this search. So we click on that, and now you got 2 filters applied over here. Now, very important, see this advanced search? You want to click on that. And this gives you a lot more categories to help narrow down your property search. So let's just pick statuses. This is popular. Say we want to look at only properties that are currently active and that have not yet gone into escrow. So you want to click on active. Okay, another popular one, general features. Over here, you'll see land tenure. Most people are looking for fee simple property and not leasehold. So we'll click on that. Okay, as you see, now you have 4 filters applied. Okay, so we'll scroll down here, you see the map. So since we put in the zip code, it is East Oahu, Hawaii Kai area, it automatically goes right to that. Okay, and with your 4 filters, this is what we have: 96825, active, single family home, and fee simple. If you want to remove anything, you can just click the X next to it. If you want to add something, just right back in here, it'll automatically update your search. So once you pick your criteria, every time you pick one, it automatically loads and updates right here. Okay, so we got 21 listings found with the search criteria we put in. So let's go to the first one here. You just click on that. You got the address, the price, stays online. Here's some pictures here. Okay, so everything that gets loaded by the listing agent into the multiple listing service, okay, gets populated and sent to this. So all the information that they put in is right here. Okay. And let's scroll over here. Let's say you like this listing. You would click save. You can click this button to ask me a question directly. You can click here to request a tour from me. Let's say you don't want to see this listing again. You just click hide, or you can click share, send this to friends or family. Here's a quick snapshot of the information on this property. Okay. The general features about the property. General features, if it had like maintenance fees, that would be listed under here. Okay, interior, some inclusions. It'll have school districts, neighborhood information, commute time, lots of different information. This search portal and search engine has some of the most up-to-date and accurate information on the market. So it is very, very good. Over here is your mortgage calculator. The price automatically populates here. You can adjust the down payment. It just automatically goes to 20%. The interest rate, you can plug this into what the current rate is today. So I believe it's about 6.5% right now. Mortgage term, you can select 10, 15, 20, or 30-year mortgage. And then when you hit calculate, it'll give you the estimated monthly payment. and it gives you a really good look at what your monthly payment should be about. Okay. All right, go back up here. And once you've searched a couple listings, it will ask you to register. Okay, I'm the only one that sees this information, so you will not be bogged down with a bunch of spamming emails and whatnot. It's only me that'll be viewing it. Okay, let's go back to results. Okay, and it's just as simple as that. And you can continue on. You'll also be able to create your own reports, specific searches that you make to send to you daily, weekly, lots of different things you can do in the search portal. And another thing, if you don't really know the area too well, or what it's called, or you want to group them together, you can simply use this draw function. Just drag your mouse and it'll select only properties in this area, and you see it automatically populates down below too. So lots of different uses. It's really, really user friendly. And again, we're looking at Oahu, but you can see all the different islands here. You can check Maui, Kauai, and Molokai. And yeah, so please feel free to look around on here. You can comment, tell me what you think, and yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel. We'll keep having updates, a lot of good real estate information. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial today.